Guys, big PNP news coming in from Ontario. Ontario has finally invited a lot of more people in its PNP program in the month of February. The first week is still going on, 2021. We have 283 candidates who have been invited. All the best to all of them, and more details on this particular draw that has happened in this video. Please watch till the end. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and I practice in Brampton, Ontario, Canada. My office is here, but I am right now traveling to India. I am here in India. If you want to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen, but make sure you send us a WhatsApp message first, because the regular calling is not available in India right now. We do have a separate number for India calling. Please take a note of that. Guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, if you are seeing me for the first time, then make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration, and if you are interested in Canadian immigration, then this is the channel that you must be following. Guys, let's just quickly get on with the topic of the day, which is Ontario PNP. Yes, the famous Ontario PNP has yet again invited 283 people from the express entry pool. Unsurprisingly, the cutoff was still sitting high at 466 and 467. The reason why I said unsurprising is because Ontario has usually been seen inviting people at higher CRS scores when you compare that with the other provinces, which usually, like Alberta recently invited at 360. But guys, that's how Ontario is. That is where Toronto, GTA, and the other cities are, which have very high employability and a lot of options and opportunities for people who come in. But guys, with regards to this particular program, there was a list of 10 occupations that was declared under the Ontario Human Capital Priority stream, which is one of the famous streams. The occupations keep on changing every now and then. The Ontario province usually lets people know about what are the changes, what are the new human capital priorities, and then they invite people under that particular draw of the human capital stream. So guys, this time I'll just quickly read out the occupations which were there in preference. First was banking, credit and other investment managers, NOC 0122. Advertising, marketing and PR managers, NOC 0124. Other business service managers, 0125. Corporate sales managers, 0601. Financial auditors and accountants, 1111. Financial and investment analyst, 1112. Human resources professionals, 1121. Professional occupations in business management consulting, 1122. Registered nurses and registered psychiatric nurses, 3012. And business development officers and marketing researchers and consultants, 4163. So guys, these 10 occupations were a part of this recent draw, which was held on February 2nd. About 283 people were invited, and in the year 2020 we have seen Ontario invite about 6,700 people so far. We are still due to see how many people they invite in the year 2021, but then I still hope that a lot of you people get invited to Ontario, because that is usually the province of destination and choice for a lot of people. Guys, once again, I hope the information was good and gave you a lot of insights. If you still want to speak to me, my number is on the screen and in the description box. Please feel free to schedule a consultation and I would be more than happy to speak to you. Once again, I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon in Canada.